Welcome to the Real Cricket Studios, where we will be bringing you live action shortly. I am joined by our experts who are all really excited.
Yeah, I think this will be a great game, and some of these players are in the form of their lives. I wouldn't want to miss a moment.
The conditions out there look splendid, and the toss could be very important.
Alright then, let's head straight to
We have both the captains in the center with the Nasraf. Heads is the call and heads it is. It's a good toss to win. They really need to make most of the conditions now. These are the playing 11 for the respective teams.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
A lovely day to play cricket, and here we have the two umpires walking in with a brand new. In comes the fielding side. They look charged up and ready to go. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer from the crowd. Pace bowler into the tank.